In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your reel. So, the first thing you have to do is to download your logo into your gallery. In this case, I send it to my WhatsApp account, and so I save it. Then open Instagram and create a reel. You can add some images. For example, I'm going to add this one, and then I'm going to add this other one. And once you've done that, go to the stickers menu next to the text menu and go to add yours, which will open your gallery, and then you can select the logo you downloaded. And now all you have to do is move it around, and for example, I want it to be just on the first part of the video, so I just drag this until the first image finishes. And now you can upscale it, make it bigger, make it smaller, and move it around until you find a placement that you like. For example, I'm going to leave it there, and as you can see, it's only on the first part of the video. And that's how you add a new logo to your Instagram reel. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you on the next one.